Want to know which traffic source bring you the most users? In GA4 BigQuery Expert, you get the data. You just have to query it. Hey, my name is Gala. I am a marketing BI analyst and the founder of Gala Reports. On my website, you will find Looker Studio templates for marketing and sales and a blog about Google Sheets, Looker Studio, and BigQuery for marketing analytics. If you subscribe to my blog, you can get a free Looker Studio template based on GA4 account, and I will send you emails once per month. So let's back to our query. GA4 sends traffic into traffic info with every user session. It's a source, medium, and name. And name we can use as a default channel grouping. And here is a query. How can I do it? I already explained in my previous videos what does this mean and how do we read it. So what is interesting here, we parse date because date is a string, and on my previous video we took data from event parameters. Now we take data from traffic source. Traffic source is here. So we take data from traffic source and we count distinct user pseudo ID as a user. And if we want to count sessions, I have another video with sessions. We can count sessions as well. And we need to group our data because each event has each row. So we need to group it by date, by all breakdown, all our dimensions. So by date, source, medium, and default channel grouping. And we can order data by date and users if we want, and we can run this query. We have our data. You can use this to track campaign performance, SEO traffic, or referral spikes, all from raw event data. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to analyze next with GA4 and BigQuery.